Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're getting into Forex trading or looking to switch brokers, today's video is going to save you hours of research. We're breaking down the best brokers for Forex trading in 2025.
Based on safety, spreads, fees, platform features, and ease of use. Let's get straight into it. Section 1. What makes a broker the best? Before naming names, let's be clear on what makes a Forex broker actually good. On-screen text, regulation, tight spreads, fast execution, low commissions, good trading platform, easy deposits and withdrawals, solid customer support. If a broker nails these points, you're in good hands. Section 2, Top 3. Best Forex Brokers. Number 1, Broker Pepperstone. First up, Pepperstone. This broker is a favorite among day traders and scalpers. Why it's great. Super tight spreads, excellent ECN execution. MetaTrader 4, 5, and C-Trader support, regulated in multiple top-tier regions. If you want speed and low trading costs, Pepperstone is a beast. Number 2, Broker IG. Next is IG, one of the biggest and most trusted brokers worldwide. Why traders love it? Extremely reliable, huge range of currency pairs. A award-winning platform, MT4. Strong regulation. IG is perfect for beginners and experienced traders who want a stable, reputable broker. Number 3, Broker XM. Finally, XM, known for its beginner-friendly environment. Why XM stands out? Low minimum deposit, flexible account types, good educational resources, bonus offers, depending on region. If you're just starting out or want lower entry barriers, XM is a solid pick. Section 3, Best Broker for Beginners. If you're brand new to Forex, brokers like XM and IG give you great tutorials, demo accounts, and easy-to-use platforms. Section 4, Best Broker for Low Fees. If your priority is low fees and tight spreads, go with Pepperstone. Period. Section 5, My Personal Recommendation. For most traders, Pepperstone or IG are the safest, most well-rounded choices. If you're a beginner, XM is a great place to start. That's it for today's video. If you want a deeper comparison or a video on how to choose the perfect Forex broker for your strategy, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future trading tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.